Given Facebook's recent renaming to Meta, you might want to explore investing in more crypto-like open metaverse components to maximize your returns. So, which one of these will make you a millionaire? Here are the top 5 metaverse tokens that have the potential to make you a millionaire in the future. Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. Before we get into the video, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure that the post notifications are turned on so that you never miss a video from us. Number 5. UFO Gaming, UFO. The 5th most valuable metaverse token is UFO Gaming, a multi-chain token with a market valuation of $593 million. One of UFO Gaming's dark metaverse ambitions is to establish a closed-loop, ever-expanding ecosystem of P2E games with breedable NFTs and virtual land that will allow collectors to in-game money. The Mothership gaming launchpad on UFO will be the center of all gaming activity. The UFO unlocks every door. This is a gloomy metaverse featuring stars, planets, and UFOs for the most part. Its goal is to create a set of games and virtual real estate that can be won by participating in a game-based economy and that will grow in value as more people play. The first game in this metaverse's RPG type features character creation and quest-based gameplay. The market for UFO gaming is improving, with prices rising by 25.1% to $0.00001608. During the most recent trading session, the company's dynamics were positive. Despite the fact that UFO gaming is now seeing significant growth, it experienced a drop on October 28 when it fell by 11%. The market capitalization is currently $428,933,220. As a result, the trading volume increased to $21,366,957 for the week. Number 4. The Sandbox, SAND. On our list, the 4th metaverse token is valued at billions of dollars. As demand for metaverse coins picks up, the Sandbox price is bouncing back. The price of SAND is currently trading at $2.70, which is nearly 35% higher than the lowest point this week. Its overall market capitalization has risen to more than $2.4 billion, making it the world's 64th most valuable cryptocurrency. On the Ethereum blockchain, the Sandbox is a virtual world where users can purchase, sell, and even create their own digital goods. It's the ideal mix of online interaction, decentralization, and gaming, resulting in a totally immersive experience. The combination of play-to-win and NFT-based economy will captivate both gamers and developers. The platform's utility token, SAND, is used for transactions as well as decentralized governance. After the recent corrective dip bounced off the 50% Fibonacci retracement level from the swing of October 24 to November 3, Sandbox is heading northward. The recent high at $2.8399 entered the picture after clearing the $2.4116 barriers set by the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level. Between the bulls and the freshly formed all-time highs at the $3.45 price level is this barrier. An extension of the intraday rejection at $2.8399, on the other hand, brings $2.0876 and $1.5427 into play as immediate downside targets. If this decline continues, the next target down south will be $1.3021, 61.8% Fibonacci extension levels. Number 3. Yield Guild Games, YGG. That said, how about a coordinated effort to invest in the metaverse and reap the financial rewards for the benefit of all communities? According to the company's website, YGG is a play-to-earn gaming guild, bringing players together to earn via blockchain-based economies. We are settlers of new worlds in the metaverse. At $6.53, it is the 3rd most valued metaverse token. Yield Guild Games is a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, with the goal of combining returns from several metaverse enterprises. The projects are located near the intersection of NFTs and DeFi. The DAO optimizes its game assets, or NFTs, across various metaverses to maximize utility and earn revenues, as stated in its stated goal of developing the biggest virtual world economy. Number 2. Decentraland, Mana. Decentraland's price has continued its upward trend, gaining approximately 40% since its resumption on November 11. Mana is currently trading around $3.60, down from 2-week highs of $3.83, and is attempting to reclaim the $4 mark. But why is the price increasing? Following a brief period of consolidation in the first week of November, the Mana price resumed its upward trend, prompted by Facebook's rebranding to Meta late last month. On Meta's proposal to focus on a metaverse, the Mana price soared to all-time highs of $5.03, piquing investors' interest. After Ethereum, Decentraland became the second oldest virtual property initiative on August 15, 2017. In a Sims-like metaverse platform, users can build and explore virtual reality. Users can buy non-fungible, unique digital assets, or land, and utilize them to construct on. All of the information about the location, owner, description, and access constraints are documented. Assets can also be purchased and sold. Ethereum was utilized to construct Decentraland. Land ownership and transfer are represented by the ERC-71 Non-Fungible Tokens, or NFTs, standard token LAND. Mana is an ERC-20 native utility coin. The Decentraland DAO stores the smart contracts and assets that make up Decentraland, such as estates, wearables, servers, and the marketplace. It also controls a huge number of Mana tokens, allowing it to operate independently, give a subsidy, and carry out routine operations. Users have full control over the regulations and processes that govern their digital assets on the platform. Policy changes, future land auctions, the quantity of NFT contracts that can be signed, and other issues can all be voted on by the community. In a nutshell, individuals have the freedom to vote on any issue they want. Aragon is at the heart of the system's built-in governance. Decentraland is gaining traction among metaverse-friendly, digitally savvy consumers since the technology and its native coin is meant to assist users in entering the digital realm. In addition, the price of Mana cryptocurrency is expected to climb in the near future. As a result, crypto may be an excellent investment for people looking to put their money into something for a longer length of time. The unstoppable rise in Decentraland pricing continues, with Mana bulls extending the 3-day positive trend on the 13th. Mana price is consolidating near 2-week highs, preparing for the next rise, with a bullish technical setup on the 12-hour chart. The potential for more upside remains alive, especially in light of Friday's confirmation of a falling wedge breakout on the same timeframe. Mana price closed above the falling trendline resistance on the 12-hour candlestick, then at $2.60, indicating a significant technical breakout. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is holding firmly above 70.00, but not yet in the overbought zone, indicating that there is still an opportunity for more upside. As a result, if the intraday highs are cleared, Mana buyers will be able to reclaim the $4 mark. The record highs are seen as the next relevant bullish goal. Any retreat from higher levels might reintroduce the $3.04 low on the 12th. On the further decline, Mana sellers will aim for the moderately bullish 21 Simple Moving Average (SMA) around $2.78. If the corrective pressure continues, Mana bears may be pushed to test the wedge resistance at $2.47, which is currently supported. Number 1. Axie Infinity Axie. Axie Infinity is a recognized and popular play-to-win game with a market cap of $8.95 billion. That is why it is included in our top 5 metaverse tokens list. Axie Infinity is based on the Ethereum sidechain Ronin. Players can make money in the game by participating in PvP combat, breeding Axies, and selling them on the market, or acquiring rare Axies. Smooth Love Potion, SLP, and Axie Infinity tokens are the 2 types of tokens utilized in Axie Infinity, AXS. SLP tokens are used for breeding as well as governance, and AXS tokens are utilized to earn money from platform fees. In Axie Infinity, players utilize action cards to select what their Axies will do on each turn. It's close enough to Pokemon to be classified as a Pokemon clone. The game has risen considerably in popularity since its inception, and it has become an important source of revenue for millions of people in underdeveloped countries. Between September 22 and October 4, the price of Axie Infinity increased by about 213%, followed by a rapid consolidation. The first leg up is called a flagpole, while the second is called a pennant. This technical pattern is known as a bullish pennant continuation pattern, and it predicts a 67% ascent to $225 by multiplying the height of the flagpole by the breakout point. On October 29, the price of Axie Infinity broke through the pennant, but there was little buying pressure. The current retreat following the November 10 flash crash, on the other hand, gives an ideal purchasing opportunity. As a result, taking a long position now would be the best option, as AXS is only a potential surge in purchasing pressure away from triggering a bull rally. If this happens, the price of Axie Infinity will rise the rest of the way to $225, a new high, after a 53% rally. While the price of Axie Infinity is rising, the increase is unlikely to continue if purchasers cannot gather the necessary momentum. If the Axie Infinity price retraces lower and closes below $117 on a daily basis, the bullish thesis will be invalidated. This move might set off a downswing to $95, which is the next support level. With this, we have come to an end. We hope this session was informative. Do let us know in the comments section below. Subscribe for more content just like this one, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to smash that like button and also press the bell icon to get notified about our new videos. Until then, fellas.